Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Coinbase, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you link your bank account to Coinbase? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your bank account to Coinbase? Well, that's pretty easy. In order for you to withdraw money from Coinbase, you do need to have your bank account linked. And just a side note, this is not a video on how to verify and set up your Coinbase account. If you need help with that, be sure to go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. This is only to link your bank account to Coinbase, and it's all handled here in the Coinbase app. It's this blue and white app right here. Be sure to check my video description below. I'll try to leave these written instructions there. But I'm going to go ahead and open my Coinbase app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Coinbase app. This is the home screen here. Here on the home screen, you're going to see various cryptocurrencies that you might be following. But if you'd like to link your bank account to Coinbase, what you want to do is click on this button down here on the bottom right called Settings. It looks like it has a little person icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to see this screen that has information about your Coinbase account. But if you'd like to link your bank account to Coinbase, what you want to do is look for this account line right here called Linked Accounts. So you can link an account that has been unlinked by Coinbase, or you can add a new bank here. It's basically the same. This one is just to relink, and this one is to set up a completely new one. I'm going to link my Chase bank account again, so I'm going to click on this line. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, this screen pops up, and this is letting you know that Coinbase uses a company called Plaid to link your bank account. That way, Coinbase doesn't have access to your login credentials. It's all through Plaid, a third-party service. If you're ready to move on, click this black Continue button. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, next, the screen pops up, so you do need to enter in your user ID and password to your bank. So for me, I'm going to use my login information for Chase. If you're using a different bank like Wells Fargo or Bank of America, same thing, you will want to use that user ID and password. So I'm going to enter all that information in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered in all the required information. Next, I'm going to click this black Submit button. Okay, next this screen pops up. So depending on what your bank requires, you will need to verify your identity. So with Chase, they are asking to send a text message, a phone call, or an email to the contact information I have on file with Chase. So for me, I'm going to use a text message. I'm going to click right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click Continue down here. All right, next the screen pops up, so I'll need to enter in the code that was text messaged to me. I'm going to click right here. Okay, I entered the verification code. In order to link my bank account to Coinbase, I'm going to click this black Submit button. Okay, now Plaid has verified my Chase account, and now you get this pop-up screen saying that success. Your account has been successfully connected or reconnected. So now my Chase bank is linked to my Coinbase account. I'm going to click Continue here. Okay, just a few seconds later, this screen pops back up, which is the account settings tab. And as you can see, my linked bank accounts to Coinbase right here now just shows the bank name. It does not say that it has been unlinked. So there you have it, guys. That's the easiest way I know how to link your bank account to Coinbase. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.